In this video, we'll be solving question 6 under exercise 1B, chapter 1 of the new General Mathematics for Senior Secondary Schools, book 1. And the question says f raised to power 0, all in parentheses, raised to power 8. So how do we solve this? As always, the first thing we tell our users or viewers is that they must solve this on their own. Then they can compare their solutions with what we have provided, because when you solve it on your own, you know whether you've gotten the principle right or not. So let's solve this. The solution, first thing we're going to do is we're going to deal with parentheses. As you know, under PEMDAS, parentheses comes first. It takes precedence over every other solution. So we can solve parentheses first. So f raised to power 0. How do you solve that? Instead of just saying, quoting the law of indices, which says that anything raised to power 0 is equals to 1. So far, that variable itself is not 0, meaning x raised to power 0 is equals to 1. So far, x is not equals to 0. So instead of saying that, how do we just break it down and solve it? It's very simple. We know that any term minus itself gives you 0. So let's use a in this case. So f raised to power a minus a, all in parentheses raised to power 8. So we're using that a minus a is equals to 0. So that's how we got that. And then we apply the second law of indices, which says that x raised to power a divided by x raised to power b is equal to x raised to power a minus b. So f raised to power a minus a will definitely give us f raised to power a divided by f raised to power a, all in bracket raised to power 8. And we know that f raised to power a divided by f raised to power a is going to give us 1. So the answer here is 1 raised to power 8. And definitely you know that, if you put 1 raised to power 1 million, you're going to still get 1, because it's 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. So it's going to be 1. So another way we could actually solve this to make it clearer, f raised to power 0, all in parentheses, raised to power 8. From our previous questions, we tell you that in such a situation it's simply 0 times 8, meaning x raised to power a in parentheses raised to power b is equal to x raised to power a times b. So in this case you have f raised to power 0 times 8. And you know for sure anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So the answer will be f raised to power 0. And we said it earlier on, anything raised to power 0 is 1. So it still gives us the same answer, which is 1 in this case. So we have 1 as our answer here. And before I go, I want to encourage you guys, subscribe to this channel, because when you subscribe, you encourage us to put out more videos day after day after day, so that as soon as we finish with the senior secondary school series, we're going to SSCE past question solutions and UTME past question solutions. So guys, subscribe and let's get this done. Thank you very much. Have a great day. All the best.